In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank statements in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to match your bank feed lines to your accounting records so your balances stay accurate and up to date. First, log into Xero and head to the organization's homepage. On this dashboard, you'll see a panel showing your bank accounts. Find the business bank account you want to work on. Right on that tile, Xero shows how many statement lines are waiting, and you'll see a prompt that says something like Reconcile Items. Click that to open the bank reconciliation screen. Here, you'll see each statement line from your bank feed. Xero often highlights certain lines with a colored suggestion to indicate there is a likely match. Those highlights are a quick visual cue that the item can be reconciled. Always pause to confirm the details match what actually happened. Look at the amount, date, payee, and any reference. If it all lines up, that's a strong sign you can proceed. Let's say you're dealing with money spent from the account. To reconcile a spend, you want to match that outgoing bank line to the correct bill or transaction already recorded in Xero. On the right side of the line, click Find and Match. This opens a panel with open bills, expenses, and other items that could match the bank line. Use the checkboxes to select the correct item or items. You can pick more than one if the bank line covers multiple bills or if a bill was paid in parts. Watch the running total and the difference indicator at the bottom. Your goal is for the selected total to equal the bank line, bringing the difference to 0. If you have many items, use the search and date fields to narrow it down and double-check contact names and references to be sure you've got the right one. When the spend amount matches exactly, scroll down and review the summary. Confirm everything is correct. Amount, tax treatment where applicable, and the contact, and make sure the difference is 0. When you're confident, click Reconcile. Xero will clear that line from the list and move it into your reconciled transactions. Continue through the remaining lines the same way. If something doesn't match, don't force it. Recheck the amount and date in your records, and only reconcile when the details truly align. Consistent, careful matching keeps your bank balance in Xero reliable and your reports trustworthy. That's it. Simple, accurate bank reconciliation in Xero from start to finish.